Happy New Year's everyone. This is the first unboxing video on the channel and the first video of 2025. Hope you enjoy. In this video we are unboxing the PS5 Pro. When you first open the box, you are greeted with the power cord of the PS5. Next we have the PS5 controller. It feels larger than the PS4 controller and has a very nice feel to it. I like my thumbsticks extra grippy. Next up, we have the HDMI cable and the charger for the PS5 controller. The charger for the controller now uses a Type-C connection now. These two clear little pieces are the horizontal stand to place under the PS5 Pro, so you can lay it horizontally. Here is the PS5 safety guide. I will flip through it. Feel free to pause the video to read the safety guide if you want. Now we have the quick start guide. Finally, we have the PS5 Pro. The front has two Type-C ports. The back has an HDMI port, two USB ports, a Ethernet port, and the power port. Now let's compare the PS5 Pro size to my PS4 Slim size. As you can probably see, the PS5 Pro is much larger than the PS4 Slim. Here's everything that the PS5 Pro brings inside the box. Now let's turn it on for the first time. The light. Whoa. Very cool. And we got the PS5 right there. This is awesome. PS5 Pro, everyone.